Hey Natural Divas, it is I, the Naturally Mature One, coming to you with another video. Today I am going to do an unboxing of my curl box that I received for February. For all my new people who do not know what a curl box is a monthly subscription that you get for $20. You get 4 to 5 regular size hair products, which is usually mostly all the time one product line. It costs $5 for shipping, so total will be $25. I have been receiving the curl box since October 2018, and the reason I decided to do curl box was because I didn't want to become a product junkie. Yeah, product junkie. And so in doing that, I thought I would allow Curlbox to pick out items that I would use in my videos to review or for me to try out for my natural hair. So this, like I said, is my fifth curl box. My Lotta Body box and my Cantu box were my best box. I enjoyed all the products in that line. My Natural Fusion box was okay. I liked some of the products, but not all. And the OGX box, excuse me, the OGX Detox box, I didn't really care for because it stripped my hair and it took a lot to get the moisture back into my hair. I believe I would use that only when I have a lot of buildup, but I don't get a lot of buildup because I wash my hair weekly. So I have been having a positive experience when it comes to the curl box. So as we're going to move forward, and I'm going to unbox my February box that I just received today. I'm a little excited, but I'm not really excited. Well, I'm hoping it's a good box, guys. I really do, because that OGX box just it did something to my hair, and I can't do that again. But so here we go. Alrighty, let me put the box down because I can't hold and show y'all too. Alright, in the box we got, let me take out one of these things, this lovely card showing that it's the birthday box. It's our birthday, it says, and I love rose gold. Good gosh, I love rose gold. And it says February 2019, the birthday box, Curl Box 7. So this is their seventh year of Curl Box. Curl Box, letter from the editor. Curl Box is 7, y'all. I'm still so thankful and humble that we're still here and able to bring you options for your best hair life. Milestones are a time to celebrate, of course, but I also use them as a time to examine lessons, learn along the way, and chart a course for what's next. If that sounds like a plan for your hair, too, this month features support in the form of new African Pride Black Castor Miracle products, all formulated for growth and protection. Here's how to use the gift of new beginnings. And then it has reveal, reflect, and reset. And they have different things to help you with that. It said, first thing first, party. Give yourself a brief moment to recognize your accomplishments and bask in the glow of success. What's the point of success if you're always looking to the next thing and never stopping to appreciate who you are? Oh, that is so true. Oh, preach, sister. The next one, assess how you got to this point. What are the lessons you've learned about the way that contribute to your success? Where do you experience bumps in the road that could derail your moving forward? And the next one is, once you've had time to reveal and reflect, it's time to set your sights on the new goals. I continually strive to push myself to achieve more than I believe possible, because when you rest, you become irrelevant. That is so true. Here we go. Hope you can see that focusing. but this is a great little article by the editor, letter from the editor. Next thing come in there is braids for days, African Pride Black Castor Oil Miracle Protect It, Seal It, Love It. And there is, and it gives you like a little diagram in the back how to use the products. So they always, every box come with this little card when you go on Instagram to tag their Curlbox account when you use their products. And this coupon entitles you to 30% off any kinky curly yacky hair products to accompany your new African Pride Black Castor Oil Miracle Protection Style. So they give you a promo code or discount code to use when you buy kinky curly yacky. I'm not going to probably use this. I might share this with somebody I know is going to get braids, but I know I will not be getting braids anytime soon. So, alright, let's open it up. In this box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. So, let me hold it up so you can see them. They're all from the same product line. Let me turn my light up a little bit, guys. There we go. Alright, the first one we have is the hold and cover edges. Slick, stubborn edges temporarily cover gray, and fill in thinning areas. Black castor oil and coconut oil. And it's black. Okay, here's the box. You can see that. Alright, I'm curious, how do it look inside? Just a little curious, just a little curious. Let's see if I can get it open without breaking my nail. Oh, it is black. That's how I can cover your gray. Okay then. Edge control. I have never seen edge control that was black. Okay. Hold and cover edges. No flaky and no ungreasy. Okay then. The next one is the Braid Lock and Twist Gel. Extra hold. Creates part lines, tame frizz, and smooth edge without stickiness. No parabens, no sulfates, no minerals, and no petroleum. Okay, can we see that? I hope my camera is focusing, guys. I've been having some issues with my camera here lately. Alright, and here, okay. And that's the gel. It looked like an edge control to me, but it smells, they all smell the same, so it smells like a fresh, clean smell. And another one is the Black Castor Oil Miracle Prep and Leave-In Moisture Butter. No parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oils, no petroleum. Provides lasting moisture and protection to hair before braided, weaved, or protected styles. Okay, that's hot. You see that? It's a butter. And it has shea moisture. Excuse me, shea moisture. Shea butter, jojoba oil, and black castor oil. The next thing is the Black Castor Miracle Hair and Scalp Sealing Oil. It's black castor oil, tea tree oil, soybean oil. The black castor oil nourishes scalp and helps to promote hair growth. The tea tree oil helps to treat, protect, and condition scalp. And the soybean oil improves moisture and retention and shine. I never knew that about soybean oil. I might have to try this. Only thing about me and black castor oil is that it's kind of heavy and I'm a low porosity, so I will have to just put it on my scalp but not on my hair because it will weigh my hair down. And the next thing they have in here is the Growth Protection Formula Anti-Humidity Heat Protecting Spray. 400 degrees protection, shields against heat damage, adds healthy shine and lightweight, black castor oil and keratin complex. And here's that. Let me get that in. I hope it's focusing. Okay. And they gave you an edge brush, so you can see that. And it looks like it's a scarf with African pride on there. So a satin scarf. It is satin scarf. So this is the curl box for the month of February, the birthday box. All black castor African pride items. It looks more like a protective and growth box. I will try some of it, but probably not all of it. And when I do try something, I'll let you know how it turns out. Thank you again for hitting the button. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the comments. I try to answer every comment. If you have ever used any, gotten any products through Curlbox, can you put in the comment section how was the experience for you, and would you recommend Curlbox to anyone else? Also, would you try any of these items that were in the Curlbox, and which ones would you want to try? And which ones do you want me to do a video on? Because I might want to do one on the buttercream, the butter, moisture butter prep and leave-in. I might want to try this one and see how it does. And I might want to try the edge control that is black. I have never seen anything that has been black. So if you want me to try any of these items, put down in the comment section which ones you would like me to try, and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. Thank you again for, as I said, that you're viewing my videos and sharing them. And if you're new to my channel, can you hit the subscription box and become a member of the Natural Diva family? If you want to be made aware of when I put videos up, hit the notification bell. Thank you again for your views. My subscriptions are going up, my views are going up, and I truly am enjoying doing the videos. I'm kind of tired right now. This is kind of late, and I wanted to make sure that y'all knew with the that I got my box and that I was unboxing, because unboxing for some reason is something y'all all love to see. So here we are, my February curl box, the birthday box. So thank you again. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.